Hey man, you okay?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, my radiator fell.
The radiator?
Yeah, look under there.
Well, that's your exhaust pipe.
Yeah.
The radiator as well, or the...
Oh no, the radiator's fine, Joe. It's the exhaust pipe.
So what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to pull it out.
Just so that you can keep going?
Yeah.
What's it connected to still?
It's not connected to anything. It's just kind of stuck between these two pipes here. Just be careful, it's hot.
Yeah, I bet it is. Whoa. You're not in... You got your brake on? No.
Yeah, I'm in park.
Alright. You might want to pop your brake on so you don't roll away.
Somehow I gotta get that out of there.
So what is it, just wedged right there?
Yeah, right.
Oh, yeah, it ain't gonna... Maybe forward? Could you pull it forward?
That's what I was trying to do.
If you pull, I'll try to push. Yep. Now can you turn it?
Yeah, I need to turn it up, right?
Yeah, nah, dude, I don't know if it's gonna get around that. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna get around. You'd have to like rotate it like 90 or 180 degrees. Like that, yeah, and then forward. No, it's still wedged up here.
What's that?
You can't keep turning it, say, the other way?
You want me to turn it to the left?
Yeah, no, it's not gonna go left, like clockwise.
Clockwise? This one? Clockwise?
Yeah, like that, but it's... Yeah, you're also hitting the brake line there. Dude, no, I don't... Is there any way you could like get it back on temporarily?
What's that?
Is there any way you can get it back on?
Nah.
Just enough to...
It broke off.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. That sucks.
The only thing I'm thinking is if you could brake it more.
Yeah, maybe.
You might want to shut it off, man. Let it... Shut your engine off. Want me to do it? Just so you know, just so it cools down a bit.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I mean, even if you could break the muffler off, I don't know, maybe then you could pull it out the back.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You think it'll break off?
I'll be able to fit it through.
It just seems like it's not gonna...
I should be able to get it through.
And which way? Well, pushing it forward?
Yeah.
Seems like no matter what you do, it's gonna hit something.
I might be able to get it if I rotate it right. Yeah.
That's what I thought, but like, it keeps catching on things. Can you lift it up? Yep, like that. Any higher?
No.
Yeah.
I got AAA.
Oh man. All right, good luck to you.
Appreciate you pulling over, man.
I wish I could help you.
Yeah, no worries, bro. Have a good day, man.
Yeah, you too.